Hello everyone and welcome to Batang Bulaga kami, and here are the last finalists of Foreign Rap and Rock on Eat Bulaga.
Love of my life, don't leave me, don't leave me. You've taken my love and now you serve me. Love of my life.
Stephen JC na kaboys ni Freddie Mercury of The Queen at isa sa mga hinihintay natin sa The Clones of Eat Bulaga dahil sa husay mag-perform na mala concert ang datingan. Pero sa ngayon, di nangyari dahil siguro sa kinanta niya, kumbaga, wrong song had been choices, kaya di natin nakita ang tunay na performance ni JC. Pero kahit paano, okay lang naman at binigay niya pa din ang the best niya.
To remind you how I still love you. Let's bring it back home to me, because you don't know what it means.
Maganda ang naging labanan kanina at bukas grand final na ng Foreign Rap and Rock of The Clones. So don't miss it and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please. Salamat.